Homemade chicken pot pie. Carrots, chicken, corn, peas,
potatoes,
a little bit of chicken broth,
onion,
couple-year-old cream of chicken, onion. That's gonna be good. Look how good that looks. That actually looks good. Not comparing it to everybody else's Facebook stuff. That nasty looking stuff they fix for the makeup. That looks really good. Oh yeah. Okay. So here we are. 3/4 of the way through bacon. I don't know if you guys can see it. Boy, it looks good. See it? Foil around the sides. You'll see what happens here in a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Coming out of the oven. As you can see, the sides ain't burnt. Oh yeah. Typical pot pies really burn unless you put foil over the edges. Yep, I'll be right back. Here we go. Taking it out of the oven. Homemade chicken pot pie. Let's see what she looks like when she's cooked. Oh my goodness, look at that. Here in a minute we're going to get into it here as soon as it cools a bit. So, be right back. It's cooling down a little bit. See the stain? It's still hot, but it's starting to cool. Still cooking. Look at that. Be right back. Okay, time to cut it. It's done. Believe it or not, that's 2 meals for me and the wife. So, leftovers here this week sometime. And it is good. Look at them sides though. They ain't brown, they ain't super brown, they're just perfect. Okay, now get for the bowl. Oh boy. Here we go. It's a mess. Gotta warn you, it's a mess. But, oh my goodness. Get some of the stuffing out there. Oh no. Chicken pot pie, homemade. You know, like I said, 2 meals for me and the wife. Throw her in the fridge and seal her up, and you'll be good for a couple of days or a week, as long as you don't go 7. Oh, there we go. Okay, guys, we gotta go eat. Thanks for watching. We'll do another one soon on, I don't know what we'll do. Hamburger loaf, meatloaf. We'll do the difference. See ya.
Better.
That
This
one's
one's
better?
better.
Okay, one last time here. I'm getting hungry. All that important stuffing goes in there. There we go. More better. I'm gonna add pepper to mine because I like pepper. See y'all. Tune in.